Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Skyway Classics. Today we have a real classic. We have a 1948 Ford pickup truck.
You know, Nyla, this thing's got a V8 motor. I don't know what to call it. They had a Flathead, but this thing looks like a V8, but when you walk around it, I'm going to go ahead and press the starter button, and you won't believe how this thing starts. It starts better than any new car.
That's cool.
She's got a 3-speed transmission in it with a real low creeper gear. Just a great truck to take to a parade or take in front of your grocery store or your hardware store. Just a fun little one to have. I mean, it's that dependable.
Definitely.
So after you're done walking it, got brand new tires on it too. There's no rust on it. The bottom of this truck's incredible. We'll pick her back up in the air and show everybody what she looks like. But it's just the old style key where you turn the key, hit the switch, and then press the button, and away she goes.
Green on green, really, really nice.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, for sure. With the cream insets. Really pretty. Start right up. Nice and quiet. That's cool. Alright, here we are in the 1947.
Got a real low creeper gear. See, she's nice and low, and they all grind a little bit like that when they go into gear. Just gotta find it. The 4-speed transmission, really a 3 because the creeper gear is really low. I mean, it's the pole. So we're doing 45 miles an hour power steering in this truck, power brakes, blinkers, gauges, oil pressure light, heater, brand new, all works. I mean, if you're looking for a great little truck to cruise around, you're telling me I don't think you can find one nicer than this. Stop right here, and then we'll spin her back around on the other side. I'm not going to go in the creeper this time. Cut off in a second. Okay, just get the hang of it a little bit. Unbelievable. Look how smooth this thing is.
It is smooth.
1947.
It's crazy. Time capsule.
It is. Isn't it unbelievable? Watch this now. Oh, the windshield wipers work.
That's
Heater
pretty
motor's all
impressive.
brand new. Clutch and stuff, paint was done a few years ago. So we'll just whip around back so you can see the bottom of this truck because it's just as impressive as the front.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.